Okay, Toyota Altis 2014 version installed for Onebiz OB-6312T, 6.95 inch Android GPS HD DVD player with OEM socket plug and play. Connect with original reverse camera. Okay, let me show you for original reverse camera view. Okay, good fitting. From left to right, 20 cm. 6.95 inch for the screen. Okay, got a 2 USB. One is front USB. Another is rear USB. Got a USB extension. We put in a drawer. Okay, SD card slot, 2 SD card slot, DVD slot. So you can connect Bluetooth. Pairing with your phone Bluetooth for Bluetooth calling. After pairing, you can click for the music icon for Bluetooth music. Okay, menu, full menu. Go to setting, turn on your phone hotspot, connect Wi-Fi, connect player Wi-Fi for internet. Android version 6.0, 1 GB RAM with 16 GB storage. Aux video input and video output as well. Easy connect, easy com for easy connect mirror link. Selected phone model. You can download app from Play Store, Waze, YouTube, Spotify, and also offline maps Papago. So this is 6.95 inch Android GPS DVD player for Toyota Altis 2014 onwards. Okay, with portable front recorder DVR. Okay, safety on the road. Right, video by Onebiz. Thank you.